Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily deactivate a Facebook account in 2025. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to click on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to click on Account Center on the top, then tap on your profile on the top. Now that's your Facebook profile that you want to deactivate. Now go back and tap on Personal Details and then tap on Account Ownership and Control. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on Deactivation or Deletion and then select your Facebook profile. And we want to deactivate our account, so make sure that deactivate account is selected, then hit continue, then hit continue again. It will show you the pages that you own, and on the last you will have to enter your password of your Facebook account, and then it will ask you to confirm, and when you'll confirm your account will be deactivated, and you can activate your Facebook account anytime when you want it back. And that's how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.